Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Aqua customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top there's address bar. You need to type down aquacard.co.uk and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage of Aqua, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom. And from here you can find there's an icon for contact us. Here in the bottom, select that. So over here under the contact us, you need to scroll a bit down. And over here you can find this number here. For the Aqua credit card customer service, you can call this number here. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have a card or account information available for verification and never share your PIN, password, or security code. If you need more help, you can also go to these FAQs in the top. From here, you can select this See All FAQs. And over here, if you have any issue with managing your card payments or any of the mentioned here, you can open it. And from here, you can find all of the question here. If the question is relatable to you, you can simply click on the question, and from here, you can find the instruction, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.